This is my 1998 Volkswagen Jetta TDI. It's the American spec, so it's equipped with the 1.9 liter AHU engine code, as it's called. It's got the Bosch mechanical rotary style pump on it, and I just went ahead and straight piped it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it sounds like at idle, what it sounds like revving it up, and do a couple drive-bys. Okay, here's what it sounds like starting it up. Sounds pretty good, not overly loud or anything. Let's go ahead and rev it up a few times.